Hello friends, welcome once again. Today's recipe I'm showing you right here is authentic Ghana chips, aka Chin Chin. It is what we are going to make today, just like your favorite street Ghana chips. It is so delicious, and I believe that this is the recipe that you can even make and start as a business. So please come with me and let's start cooking. Alright friends, so we have all our ingredients ready. So I have here garlic and onion. So first of all, I'm going to peel all the garlic skin off. And next, we're going to make sure that everything is nice and clean. So I am using a few cloves of garlic, but you can use as much as you want if you're making a large quantity. And here is my onion. So with the onion, I'm using the red ones because the red ones has a very nice flavor. But if you prefer to use the white ones, you can feel free and use it. Alright friends, so because you're making authentic Ghana chips, so you have to season the dough. We have to make it taste really good, just like the original homemade Ghana Chin Chin. So I have here blender, and I'm gonna blend all my onion and garlic together. Alright friends, so let's go ahead and add a half cup of water and blend everything together. If you do not have a blender, you can use your asanka. It will do the same thing, okay? No stress at all. So next I have here my all-purpose flour, but with this recipe, you can use soft flour or hard flour. You're making chips, so it doesn't really matter. And I have here 1 cup, and that is what I'm going to use to measure. Alright friends, so now our flour is ready. It is looking very beautiful and very, peaceful. I like that. So next I have here my bowl, and I'm going to measure about 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Yes, and after that I have here my salt. I'm going to add salt, which is going to come very soon. So this is about half teaspoon of salt, and I have here my nut milk. So if you have the powder one, you can use it, but I really like to use the fresh one because it is freshly made, and it smells really nice. And when you add it to your chin chin or even meat pie recipe, you can even tell the difference. Yeah, so just go ahead and then mix everything together, and then after that you can add in margarine. So I'm adding here about 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can add any preferred margarine of your choice. I know wherever you are, you have a really nice one that you can use for this recipe. So next I'm going to add in here my blended onion and garlic. Okay, and because I added it in water with the garlic, I'm not going to add more water in here. Alright friends, so if you are making this recipe as a business, I'm going to recommend that you use a stand mixer. It is easy, it is faster, no stress at all. It is just amazing. But if you do not have that one, you can just do it in the old-fashioned way, like how I am doing it. Alright, so our dough is beginning to form. So I am going to transfer from the bowl into a very clean surface, and next I'm gonna start kneading this dough because it has to mix really well and perfect. Yes, so that's how you want it. And I really love the pieces that I'm seeing in the onion. The flavor, guys, is just from the garlic. Everything smells really nice. So I'm just gonna cover it in a little rest for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can just go ahead and then fill the dough and make sure that it is nice and well mixed. So next we are going to roll it. This is where the fun part begins. I really love how the dough feels. It is nice and well mixed. It is seasoning into perfection. I really love this. So go ahead and roll this dough into a very flat shape. That is how you want it. Soon we're going to cut it into pieces, so that's how we want it. Inside Ghana chips today, I was say, oh yeah, ultimate seasoning ye na eye kama, because so season to jene comb or garlic comb. Let's just say we know if you chat watch it na eye nicer. Obi a dibi obi di ho adanse. Ade a wo ye de so to boas na de na we ni ye na eye kama. Eduane de or so to boas na kiki time. So here I am using my pizza cutter to cut this, but if you don't have this, you can surely use a knife or a scissors. I quite remember back in Ghana when they did not have any pizza cutter. I remember how the women would do it, just to get this even side complete is just a lot of work. But trust me, nowadays it is so easy. You have everything available. All you have to do is just walk in the store and get some and then make it happen. Alright, so now our dough is nicely sliced up. We're going to cut it into pieces. That is where the fun part begins, because we have to fry this. So you can cut it in whichever shape that you prefer. I really like this recipe because when you are doing like a big events such as, you know, weddings, naming ceremony, you know, it's just parties, you can just make this recipe, you know, to at least surprise your friends, you know, and then just share the joy with them together. Although because on the corn die and I don't make the chips and I say and I mean chips say yeah and I mean the here chips mean who be that OBAAPA has brought into your kitchen. Into all you have to do is just get all the ingredients and make it happen. So after I cut the dough, I let it sit a little bit for it to dry more before I fried it. So I am using coconut oil to fry these chips. You can use any preferred oil of your choice, but coconut oil is so healthy. It can take high heat. Alright friends, so this coconut oil I'm using, it says refined coconut, so which means that it does not have the coconut smell, and I really love it because it does a wonderful job. But if you prefer the one with the coconut flavor, you can just buy the one that says unrefined coconut. Okay, all right, so our chips is ready. It is looking very beautiful, goldish. I really love it. That is how you want it. Okay, so this is almost done and I'm gonna finish the second batch and then I will show you how it looks at the end. This is the recipe that you don't just want to watch, you just want to learn and then make it happen. Yeah, we have to make it happen, friends. So next I'm gonna fry peanuts, like how the women do it in Ghana, like your favorite street food. This is how I make it. So thank you so much for watching. Authentic Ghanaian chips and peanut is ready, and this recipe will go really well with your beverages or any soft drink. This is the perfect time to make this and surprise your family and friends. I hope you really enjoy this recipe. Try this and let me know your feedback. Until I come your way, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day.